In October 2023, the three-story, 30,000 square foot Summit Wellness Center opened. The center embodies the 5 pillars of wellness: physical, mental, spiritual, social, and financial. 3 officers are in the facility full-time, along with a crisis response resource that is ready to respond when needed. For physical wellness, the center offers the total package: a gym, physical therapist, and a strength and conditioning coach. The center includes meditation areas, a full-time chaplain, and social wellness programs. It also has classes and seminars on retirement planning, budgeting, college planning, and home ownership. Healthy drink and food options are on-site and available 24/7. LMPD's full-time health and safety officer is also on site.